I am making the infamous Ghirardelli Fudge. Everyone kept recommending this, so I'm gonna do this recipe. So I'm going to melt my chocolate, let's see. Yeah, my semi-sweet chocolate. Now my store didn't have the unsweetened cocoa, 100% cocoa baking bar. So I got the 72%, so mine's gonna be a little bit sweeter, but you know, it's fudge. You can't have too much sugar with fudge. Now, got that. Now the next thing you're gonna do is add your sweetened condensed milk after the chocolate is melted. Okay, so we're gonna melt this first. Okay, my chocolate looks like it's getting melted. Okay, so we're gonna put in our sweetened condensed milk. Okay, now a teaspoon of vanilla. You could add nuts, you could add chocolate covered cherries, sprinkles, marshmallows and pecans to make or marshmallows and almonds to make Rocky Road. You could add pecans and coconut to make a, what's it called? German chocolate, that's what I was trying to think of. Okay, now we're just gonna let this set up. Oops, I didn't do that too even. Okay, so, whoops, there's a chocolate chip that didn't get melted. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness, that looks so delicious. Okay, that one is regular chocolate fudge.
Mmm.
Is that delicious?
Mm-hmm. Wow, that's really good.